Welcome to HelloAIbox, your all-in-one AI content creation studio. Let's explore how HelloAIbox can transform your content creation process. Warning, before diving into this video, please note that the voiceover you're hearing now is created using HelloAIbox. Step 1. Installation. Access your dashboard and effortlessly install HelloAIbox on your preferred browsers. It takes just seconds to add this powerful tool to your workflow. Step 2. Opening the box. Once installed, activate HelloAIbox by tapping any of the predefined keyboard shortcuts, such as HelloA, HelloAIbox, AI, etc. The box instantly appears, ready for your commands. Step 3. Unleashing creativity. Now that you've opened the box, it's time to unleash your creativity. Chat with AI, convert text to speech, transcribe audio, analyze images, and generate stunning visuals, all within the HelloAIbox interface. Explore the endless possibilities and watch your ideas come to life effortlessly. With HelloAIbox, content creation has never been easier. Get access today and experience the future of AI-powered creativity right in your browser.